Ads2Cash has emerged in 2025 as a platform promising to help users monetize traffic and earn passive income. And after testing it extensively, here's my honest take. The platform offers a straightforward interface that allows beginners to get started quickly, with options to create ad campaigns, track performance, and optimize revenue streams without needing deep technical knowledge. One of the biggest advantages is the simplicity and speed of setup, making it appealing for small website owners or social media marketers looking to generate income efficiently. Ads2Cash also provides a variety of monetization methods, including display ads and referral programs, which can diversify income sources. However, there are notable drawbacks. While the platform works well for low to moderate traffic, high-traffic websites may encounter slower payouts or stricter approval processes, and some features lack the customization offered by more advanced ad networks. Pricing is reasonable, with free trial options to test the service, but scaling effectively may require investing in premium plans. Overall, Ads2Cash is a solid starting point for anyone new to online monetization, offering ease of use, multiple revenue options, and accessible support, but it's important to manage expectations regarding performance, customization, and long-term growth potential.